Welcome to AI Arch Wizard. In this episode, I would like to talk about an app called Wispr Flow, which is the currently most popular one of many dictation apps for smartphones. Here I am testing a version for iPhone, but I am testing it on iPad to facilitate this testing. This is not a free app. It is around $15 a month, but you can get Apple Dictation for free. So maybe first let me demonstrate how it works. It works as AI keyboard, as a voice keyboard. So it opens at the bottom. You can see Wispr Flow at the bottom. You can type, but also you can use a voice. See? And now I am typing by speaking the voice. So the quick burn fox jumps over the lazy dog. See? And now it was here spoken. So this is how this app is working. And now let's try to take a look at this app. You have a home, you have dictionary, there are snippets, there's style and scratchpad that you can take your notes. And why would you need this app if iPhone has dictation? Wispr Flow is an AI-enhanced dictation app that goes well beyond Apple built-in dictation. Because Apple is solid for quick. Wispr targets power users who dictate frequently. And there are limitations of the built-in Apple dictation. There are time limits. It is unpolished raw output, basic formatting, there are accuracy issues, and there is no advanced AI. With this app, dictation is more sophisticated, and you can see here this app, Wispr Flow, adds AI-powered cleanup and formatting, better handling of real speech, custom dictionary learning, longer sessions and speed. It is also cross-platform, works also on Mac, Windows and Android, not only iPhone. And it has extra features like voice commands, whisper mode for quiet environments, and this is integrated across different platforms. It's not free, disadvantages. It has cloud processing, so it relies on AI in cloud. And the bottom line, you don't need this Wispr app if Apple Dictation meets your needs. It's overkill for casual users. But if you dictate a lot, get frustrated by corrections and low output, want smarter AI assistance or need it across devices, Wispr Flow can feel like a major upgrade in speed and quality. Many people call it transformative for productivity. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. So this is one of several dictation apps, which is a very popular AI tool on smartphones.